Hey KenStube, it's me, and I just wanted to say thank you for being okay with me still making videos of showing money. Thank you, and yeah, I won't brag in them anymore. I won't brag in my haul videos anymore. So that's all I said. I have to go now. I am about to go on a little car ride because, you know, I can't go anywhere until the 24th of July, which sucks. But I still have a month left and a couple days of... I still have August, a couple days in September, and a couple days in July. I'm going to do a lot of... My mom said we're going to do a lot of stuff because, you know, I can't do anything during July. Well, we are actually going, and on the 13th, we're going to Cleveland, and my aunt is letting me borrow her laptop, because I can't swim, which sucks, so yeah, but I'm going there, because my parents are going to see this person. It's like a preacher, and we're going to stay for 2 nights, because it was like a really good deal or something. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye, KenStube. Bye.